We're getting ready to tour the Thompson Okanagan wine region. And while the mode of transportation may surprise you, it's definitely going to excite you. We're going on a helicopter wine tour with Valhalla Helicopters. In one day, you can experience the beautiful landscapes and variety of wineries that stretch from the U.S. border in the south to the Shuswap region of the north.
Valhalla Helicopters is the only company offering this style of winery exploration.
Customize your own tour or have the knowledgeable pilots at Valhalla recommend their favorite flights. You may choose to drop in on just a smattering of vineyards that are tucked into the remote reaches of the valley, or hit as many of the 30 available wineries as possible.
Whatever flight you choose, be sure to bring your camera so you can share this unforgettable experience with your friends and family.
To book your helicopter wine tour, private charter, or one of the many sightseeing flights available, contact the crew at valhallahelicopters.com or phone 1-866-769-1486. Visit the Thompson Okanagan region. Super natural British Columbia.